What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about enabling Windows backup and restore using an Intune policy. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about enabling Windows backup and restore to your Intune users. Okay, so we are going to log into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center, which would be right here. Yes. On the left-hand side, we are going to click on Show All. We're going to locate and click on Microsoft Intune. So there it goes. Click on it. On the left-hand side, we are going to click on Devices. Within the Devices overview, underneath By Platform, we are going to click on Windows. Underneath Manage Devices, we are going to click on Configuration. We're going to click on Create. We're going to click on New Policy. And as soon as you do that, it is going to give you a side menu. Great. For the platform, we are going to click on the drop down and we're going to click on Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, click on the drop down and we are going to select and click on Settings Catalog. All the way in the bottom, let's click on Create. Time to create our profile. So let's give it a name. I give it the following. On the lower left-hand side, we are going to click on Next. It is time for us to configure. So we are going to click on Add Settings. And from here, we're going to type in the following. Enable Windows Backup. You are able to hit Enter on the keyboard or just click on Search. I'm going to hit Enter on the keyboard. It only gives you one option. So let's select that option. As soon as you select it, at the very bottom, it gives you what we want. Enable Windows Backup. So all you have to do is just give it a check mark. And on the upper right-hand side, let's click on the X to close the side menu. And all you have to do is just slide it to your left to enable it. On the lower left-hand side, we're going to click on Next. I typically don't add any tags here, so I'm going to click Next here. For assignments, I am going to click on Add Groups, and I'm going to select my group, and I'm going to click on Select. I'm going to click Next here, a nice little review, and click on Create. On the upper right-hand side, it is going to say Policy Created, blah, 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 successfully. If you give it some time, there goes our new policy. Now, another thing that you need to do for this to work properly, which I didn't do within my tenant. So hopefully you guys, if you want to push this out to your users, you are able to, hopefully you do it and let me know. We need to get into, I'm trying to remember, enrollment. So underneath device onboarding, we're going to click on enrollment. And we need to locate Windows Backup and Restore. So click on that. It's going to give you a sidebar. By default, it is not configured. But if you click on the drop down, you need to turn it on. Okay? You need to do this step for this policy to work properly within your 9 to 5. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.